Welcome friends to my channel. Today I am going to unbox Kingston's Canvas Select Plus microSD card. It has capacity of 128 GB while there are other capacities of 256 GB and 512 GB also available. It is specially optimized for Android devices with A1 rated performance. The MRP of this memory card was 3,350 rupees, but I purchased it during the Prime Day sale and I got it at 1,000 only. The cover shows it have a speed of 100 Mbps, but you can easily get it around 30 Mbps to 50 Mbps because this 100 MB is the acceleration at which you can transfer, not the actual speed. It is powerful in performance, speed and durability because it is designed for reliability. It offers improved speed and capacity for loading apps faster and capturing images and videos in full HD. Yeah, now you can see it more clearly. It also comes with an adapter so that you can put it in your camera or laptop easily. It has been tested under harsh conditions and hence it comes with a lifetime warranty. Friends, trust me, you are going to get an ultimate performance at this price. Now it is you can see the shine of the golden plates. And finally the main thing, the center of attraction of this video, Kingston's Canvas Select Plus microSD card, and here is the adapter.